Hiya, sweet crew, and welcome to a new episode of
Cook It.
This week, we're learning how to make two types of pesto, the original basil one and a Thai coriander pesto for more zesty dishes. For the original basil pesto, you'll need basil, light olive oil, parmesan, almonds, garlic clove, and salt. In a food processor, combine all the ingredients. Mix on high for 10 seconds, clean the work bowl's borders and mix it again, this time on low, for 5 seconds. Scoop individual portions in an ice cream mold, cover with a plastic wrap, and freeze. Once frozen, you can leave them as is or transfer them in an airtight container. For the Thai coriander pesto, you'll need Thai coriander, coriander, light olive oil, sesame oil, parmesan, unsalted cashews, lime zest, lime juice, garlic clove, cumin powder. In your food processor, combine all the ingredients. Mix on high for 10 seconds. Clean the work bowl's borders and mix it again, still on high, for 5 seconds. Scoop individual portions in an ice cream mold, cover with a plastic wrap, and freeze. Once frozen, then again, you can leave them as is or transfer them in an airtight container. These pesto recipes are easy, don't take time to make, and can easily spice up any dish. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be the first one to know when a new video is up.
Have a wonderfully sweet week.